What's up, boys? It's the 21st, 23rd of June. I didn't realize it was already market open. But yeah, market open is in. I was just like talking to myself and shit on, possibilities for the day. But I didn't realize it was already market open. So let's get it here. I think it's quite laggy. That's that. But yeah, definitely pretty bearish on the day so far. But I'm bearish uh, unless we reject from the sell side, or particularly this is the lowest I'm seeing price should go at 4 hour. We definitely have to at least retrace higher. We tap now this 4 hour slash hourly rejection block, simultaneously getting an SMT out of this low. I mean, not really an SMT because we already took it pre-market, but yeah, I just really want to see us go higher, but that might be just me wanting, but not really what the price is presenting. We could definitely see a 30-second out of here. Let's see if we can get a 30-second. We're gonna see a 30-second pretty soon. In 10 seconds, this could even inverse this. If we inverse this, we have space. Yeah, we can buy there. Put a think sell stop here. Then I'm just gonna manually close when we hit this 15-minute gap. Going to break even now. This is a 15-minute gap, right? Break even. Wow. After getting the 1 minute inverse, insane. Didn't expect that type of PA to do that. I thought it would just be getting literally just gonna flush on those highs. So this was a break even trade. This is actually negative RR. That was insane. I was up 39 points on that trade. So hit me on this 30-second entry. I just really had strong conviction on that trade. No reason to kind of like manually close type shit. Because there's just an until 15-minute gap as well as LR towards it. And there's no one really trying to reject this. I don't see any 5 minute intermediate highs here. There's even equal highs on my target. Had a 3 minute inversion here as well. So many reasons to go higher to the point that I don't see why we went lower. So let's see here. Maybe we just need to sweep this 30-minute intermediate low. Then we can have like a flush to the upside. Because we still have the central 15-minute gap on ES. Yeah, still have it. Not even any 5 minute or along the way. I'm gonna remain bullish unless we just started fumbling, right? There's a 9:45 news. Maybe that could propel us higher. Here, there's some manipulation. For those people, maybe you didn't break even early. I did. So I got break even there fairly quickly. I was up again, like 40 points in that trade. Oh, I can see where I actually got filled. 294,724. So my fill was actually pretty good. It was down here. So I was up 50 points actually. I mean, I could have got a winning day there if I wanted to, but I want to stop doing those, like just trigger out of it. I'm gonna pull the trigger out when I'm seeing it hundreds. I don't need to hold the trade after that. If I was doing 1 minute, you're sure, but bro, if you put your stops on this candle, I cannot be holding that much. On a 1 minute, this is 29731. If I got filled here, I had a really huge stop. So that 10 micros just could eat that. So we're still edging the 15-minute gap, which is good. It's good that we're edging it where, we could come back and eat that shit again. If we can get some sort of internal structure here, maybe a sweep of this 30 low, then get a 15-second version off of that. That's good. Because these are equal highs here, if you can see. Because why edge a 15-minute gap, bro? You don't want to edge that. I know you want to come back. You can see like the inversion off of this, sweep of this low. Can definitely get longs off of that. So technically, like my entry was like this. This 101, 29685. Let's see, let's see. Are we gonna get some sort of regain off of this? Technically, we're gonna have an inversion here, which we're gonna have in 7 seconds. It's not that strong, so let's wait for this 15 second. So let's wait for this. So we can get this 30 second or this 15 second. I'm gonna take it. So technically, the entry would be at 29730, 2970, so 29708. Around the 30-point stop here. Not a light bulb though, so I'm gonna just chill a bit. 30 is closed. 1015 close as well. Retrace a bit. Oh shit. Okay. Got a retrace that I was looking for there. Stops at 29713. So like right here. I think buy sell limit should be here. There you go. I'm gonna break even when we take this high. Okay, we break that high, so we're break even now. All right, we hit TP, right? There you go. We slammed TP. It's a small day. Should have risked more here, but yeah, banked on that. So I guess we're done with the day. Wasn't the biggest day. Definitely could have risked a lot more, like one mini. But again, I'm just trying to build my conviction on trade-based shit. But yeah, let's go on M and Q. We got a better fill on that initial 30. But the 30 was around 29736 and 29711. So this is the trade that I took. Really quick day, like really choppy PA as well. So the first entry got break even, entry here with a really discretionary stop because I'm just really anticipating a flush. Then I got stopped out on break even. So it's kind of like this, something like that. Got BE and then just turned out this off. Um, B and TP on the day. So really discretionary. Initially I put it here, but looking back, that is too much risk, right? But yeah, I would have got BE anyways if I didn't BE. And initially here, the sweep of this would make me want to go break even. So this, then I just targeted this. Um, much better if it's one mini. But I think I closed it like a second early. Um, on my TP, I'm gonna look back. I think the TP was here, but I think it was edging at that point, so like I closed it. But it would be practically the same. Let's see the fill. I TP on 29783, which is around here. So the difference is like 7 points, not too big. So yeah, it's pretty much that. Mm, on the day, got my win in day. It's a really small day. This is one mini. easily 800. But yeah, let's do it slowly. At this point on, I just need three more winning days. Three more winning days of around 2100, so 700 days. So right now I'm gonna have like actual aim of 700 days, not just trying to get a winning day. So we're done with our chill days. We gotta go for actual decently winning. Because this one is like 400. But it's really choppy PA. Or maybe after the news we're gonna have a decent PA, but yeah, got finish here real quick. Some people might aim this more premium 15 minute around here. But yeah, really clean day for me. I'm gonna lock myself here. Really easy trigger because what I said here, I was looking for the 30-second version. I know it was really big. Then it just gave me more conviction to enter right away when I saw we also had the 1 minute version on this initial entry. This one right here. Actually, we didn't inverse, but it was really strong displacement candle. I just hopped in right away. I know I was hopping with 10 micros, that's why I didn't even care how much was I risking if I'm gonna go on limit order. No, I just hopped in. We just literally pumped right away, but ended up getting break even, so I got stopped on break even fairly quickly here because when we took this internal highs, um, I just went on break even. Not this high. I was looking here, but yeah, I think here we also took it. Yeah. So technically, we just took all those highs. For me, it's a valid place to go break even because um, in terms of my target, I'm up um like 4 out of 5 my targets. So valid break even there. Let's close this off. The second trade, I was just really holding my bullish bias because if we're gonna look on the 1 minute, we're not really seeing anything or much, right? But ES went a lot lower. Technically, we had like an internal SMT out of that. Um, But if we're gonna look at the lower time frame, this 30-second was holding so good, and I said like, bro, if we get the inversion of off of this, I'm gonna enter. We had the 30-second inversion, but on the 15-second we haven't got it yet. So I was waiting for the follow up on the 15-second, and then I was just waiting for a little bit of the retrace. That's why I got filled at 29747, which is pretty much just right here on this. Because I didn't want to go limit order, so I might crash out if we didn't get the retrace. But I would have got the retrace here if ever. But pretty much no drawdown. Then my TP, can we do a line here? Let's also trade mode. Uh, I never tried it yet, but my TP I think was this line. Yeah, it was this line. Bang. So that was my TP right there. Yeah. If ever, but if you could see my fill was earlier because I just manually closed. Because I'm not really that good with TP yet on Trade compared to trading. If you saw me, I was going out and off and out the charts just to make sure if I already hit it or not. So I was just like holding it. Now we're flushing. But yeah, quick done of the day. Winning day is a winning day. So out of the day.